Dal Tadka is a delicious Indian lentil dish made with cooked lentils, spices and a tempering of ghee and spices. There are many ways to make Dal Tadka, but here are some common steps. Process. Heat ghee in a pressure cooker, add tuvar dal and mung dal to the pressure cooker and roast for 2-3 minutes. Add in ginger, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and green chili. Mix well. Add water, cover and allow to cook for 3 whistles. Meanwhile, heat ghee in a pan, add cumin seeds, ginger and garlic, sauté till fragrant. Add onions and sauté till translucent. Add chili powder, turmeric powder and salt. Mix well. Cook for 2-3 minutes, till the rawness of the spices is gone. Add the boiled dal to this tempering and allow to cook for simmer for 3-4 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the second tempering. Heat ghee in a pan, add some water. Add garlic cloves, whole dry Kashmiri red chilies, a safedida, Kashmiri red chili powder and mix well. Cook till it splutters. Pour the prepared dal into a serving dish, garnish with coriander leaves. Pour the prepared tempering and serve hot. I hope this helps. Enjoy your meal. Yummy face. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.